We got upgraded. Welcome to our new abode. A little bit of a view now, so you can kind of see some green stuff. But it is nice and big. So we got our living room, got our little stovetop gas thingy.
It looks fancy.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh, the lighting here is really not good. It's dark.
They can room for when the hubby misbehaves, so I can send him there.
That's the naughty corner. I was going to say, can you turn the lights on? But it's on.
And then we've got our toilet where we can't flush the toilet paper. But the toilet paper has upgraded from our last place.
Yes, this is triple ply.
Well, double ply. The last place it was like
single ply.
Single ply. We came in and the toilet roll was the wrong way. Now, when I say the wrong way, I meant the opposite way to this. Because this is the only way that the toilet roll should be, okay? Now, I didn't say anything. It was just the wrong way. And then an hour later, I go to use the bathroom and it's now the right way. So I turn to my hubby and I'm like, did you fix the toilet roll? And he's like, yes. That's how you know you're with the right person. Because they fixed the damn toilet roll. Got a shower with more pressure.
Yes.
So that's cool. Still cold showers, but
at least it's a high pressure cold shower.
Pressure. We have a visitor. He came probably because of the chicken smell. But he's so cute.
Where did he get in?
The nice thing about Nicaragua is even though there are a lot of homeless dogs, none of them look like they haven't eaten. Everyone seems to feed them. Beautiful. Meanwhile, the roads look like this and people living like that.
Showing me sweating? Or what?
No, I'm showing people in the houses. This is what some people live like.
It's similar to South Africa.
No, it's similar. It is definitely. It's just like it looks prettier. Come live in Nicaragua. It's cheap, they say.
I mean,
sweating, not sweating. Sweating, not sweating. This is funny. We have a theory. One of many theories. The theory is obviously women run slightly lower temperature to men. We don't get as hot as quickly as men do. So obviously he's going to start perspiring, which will cool him down faster than I will. Whilst I am still radiating.